Hey guys, how you going? It's great to see that so many of you took the time to view our last video, converting improper fractions into mixed numerals. Well, you can probably already guess what this video is about, but it's looking at the other half of that, which is converting mixed numerals into improper fractions. So basically the complete opposite of what we did in the last lesson. So, before we can begin, we need to give ourselves a mixed numeral, don't we? So let's start off with, say, 3 and 2/5. Actually, let's make that a little bit bigger, I think. Right, let's go again. 3 and 2/5. Now, we need to convert this to an improper fraction. Remembering from our last video, an improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator, which is the top number, is bigger than the denominator, which is the bottom number. Okay? So, what do we need to do? Well, there's actually only 2 steps involved. The first thing we do is we look at the 5 and we times the 5 by the 3. So we start with our 5 and we times it by the 3. Now 5 times 3 is going to give us 15. The next step, we need to add the numerator. 15 plus 2 equals what? 17. So our fraction is expressed like this: 17 over 5. Again, just like before, the denominator does not change. Let's just go over that one more time. So our very first step is we start with our 5 and we times it by the 3, the whole number. 5 times 3 is 15. Next, we add the numerator. 15 plus 2 equals 17, leaving us with a fraction of 17 over 5. Let's see if we can do another example. Let's push all those numbers out of the way and let's start again. Let's look at 4 and 3/8. Something a little bit tougher this time. What was that first step? Can you remember? Alright, we start with our 8, our denominator, and we need to times it by the 4. 8 times 4 equals 32. If we didn't know that in our head, that's what we've got our tables books for. Next step, we've times the bottom number by the whole number. Now we need to add our top number, the numerator. Whoops. 32 plus 3. Well, most of us could probably do that in our head. 32 plus 3 equals 35. What is that 35 over? That's right, over the 8. Remembering that the denominator never changes. And that, guys, is a quick, brief lesson on converting a mixed numeral to an improper fraction. Very similar to what we did before, but just the complete opposite. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.